Today, I'll show you how to quickly fix a laggy or hanging Windows 11 PC with one simple shortcut. If your screen freezes, animations stutter, or Windows feels sluggish, try this. Press Ctrl-Shift-Win-B on your keyboard. This shortcut instantly resets and refreshes your graphics driver. Your screen will go black for a second, and you'll hear a small beep. That's normal. It forces Windows to reload the GPU driver without restarting your computer, which often clears temporary glitches and lag caused by graphics issues. This is especially useful if your PC becomes suddenly slow. Windows animations feel choppy. The display freezes, but the PC is still running. You're experiencing random graphical glitches. That's it. Just a quick fix to get your Windows 11 running smoothly. This trick is perfect when your PC slows down out of nowhere, even if everything was fine a minute ago. If your taskbar stops responding or Windows take forever to open, this shortcut gives it an instant push. Think of it like refreshing your phone apps, but for your whole display system. It's one of the fastest fixes built into Windows, and it works even while games or apps are running. Use this before restarting your PC. It can save you time and keep your workflow smooth. It's completely safe because Windows is just resetting your display connection, nothing else.